Someone needs to hear this today. Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to let go of someone who hurt you? The answer isn't always love. Sometimes it's familiarity. Our hearts often mistake what's familiar for what's safe, even when it isn't. That's why we sometimes find ourselves missing people who made us cry more than they made us smile. Not because the pain was worth it, but because our minds became attached to the hope that one day things would be different. Healing begins the moment you stop asking, "How do I get them back?" and start asking, "Why did I believe I had to lose myself to keep them?" The people you're meant to grow with won't require you to abandon your peace just to earn their love. Choosing to walk away doesn't erase the memories. It simply means you've decided your future deserves more than your past could give. Until the next letter, take care of yourself, stranger.